With a little planning and creativity, you can transform a small kitchen from a challenging space into one you'll enjoy spending more time in. From storage to seating, find inspiration for your little kitchen with a collection of examples from IKEA. 1. A modern, bright, and airy kitchen with wooden details. A sleek, stainless steel sink for a trendy look, some music on a Bluetooth speaker to set the mood, and wooden details to add a little warmth to the room. 2. The hub of the household. Dive into a kitchen that's filled with dedicated storage for every family member. This solution has a creative and personalized look that can grow and adapt when the family grows bigger every other week or when study friends and guests come over. 3. A lovely green and environmentally conscious kitchen. This Bodarp kitchen both radiates and contributes to a more environmentally conscious lifestyle thanks to recycled materials, a water-saving sensor tap, and an energy-efficient induction hob. 4. A sleek small space kitchenette. Here's a small modern kitchen that feels light and airy. The trick? Clean lines, integrated appliances, and a pop of color, thanks to the blue cabinet doors and rug. 5. Style up your stainless steel kitchen. A mix of stainless steel shelves, gold metallics, soft pastels, and high gloss help create a modern kitchen look. Here are a few ways to tune up your culinary style. 6. Where cooking is about slowing down, not stressing out. Here's a bright, calm, and uncluttered kitchen where cooking is about relaxing and not about being in a hurry. 7. Cozy cottage kitchen in the big city. Bring a piece of the countryside into the urban city. Turn your small kitchen into a homey space with microgreens, a tiny dining nook, and white paneled door fronts that remind them of the rural life left behind. 8. A kitchen fit for open plan living. When a kitchen is organized, your time can go to food and friends and not hunts and hassles. Don't be afraid to be bold, both in cuisine and in kitchen design. 9. Store more with your kitchen islands. The Vadholma Kitchen Island is easy add-on solutions for more storage and kitchen counter space. 10. A convenient kitchen for a shared home. Here's an affordable kitchen with space for every roommate. Knox Holt has room for your kitchen utensils, dinnerware and cutlery, and a trolley for each person in the household provide private food storage. 11. Dotted to perfection from the kitchen to the dining room. Express yourself in the place where all of life's daily activities take place. From dots to grids to solid black, feel free to mix and match patterns as much as you like for a stylish yet personalized kitchen. 12. A green kitchen with a detoxing feel. Here's a kitchen with space and inspiration for a fresh start. Grow your own ingredients, cook refreshing meals, and forget about the hectic city pulse for a while.